Now you will learn how to use trading bots on MetaTrader 5. I will show you examples with free trading bots. And I will also show you easier trading bots that are directly available for free on different trading platforms. For example, the BYBIT trading bots. If I click right here and I put a number here and I click here create, now the bot will be up and running immediately. BINANCE trading bots that are world famous, built in on the platform, and also other alternatives. I will leave you links and resources in the description right here below the video for the best trading platforms that provide built-in trading bots and also nice welcome rewards for my YouTube subscriber, so you can check them out as well. But first, let me show you what you will need to use and run MetaTrader 5 bots. First, you will need a computer because you cannot run MT5 bots on the phone as far as I know. You can use easier trading bots on your phone on other trading platforms such as BYBIT or Binance, for example. Once you are on the computer and you want to run MetaTrader bots, you need to download MetaTrader software. You can type on Google download MetaTrader 5, go into their official website, and here you can download it for the Mac, Linux, Windows, you name it. And then you need a MetaTrader 5 account. You can click here to open account and you can click here to log in to trade account. I will show you examples with a free demo account in this video, and I also recommend that you will start with the free demo account so you will learn the process first for free. Then you will also need MQL5 account for downloading bots. I will show you more details of that in a moment. You can see that I have many bots for free available here, and now you are asking how to get into this view. You hover your mouse on the view and you make sure that you have opened Navigator right here. You can also open it by clicking Ctrl+N. Then the Navigator shows up right here. Then you choose here MetaTrader 5. You open here Expert Advisors and you choose here Markets. Now I have opened it already right here, but if I would have it closed, you can open it by right clicking here and then you click here Buy from the Market. And then in order to have the trading bots, you click here Experts, and there are two types of bots. There are free bots that you can choose here free, and then there are also paid bots. Some are cheap, some are expensive. You can see that some bots may cost even more than 1000 USD while other ones are cheaper. And here is a warning, especially for beginners. The fact that some bots are more expensive or higher rated, it doesn't mean that they would be better than cheaper ones. Sometimes free bots may provide better results than expensive paid bots. So be careful, especially before paying hundreds of dollars for any bot. I recommend that you start practicing first with these free bots to learn the process. Next, you will simply choose a bot and download a bot. Notice that bots are often designed for specific trading pairs and time frames, so you want to read the description of each bot before you start using them. For example, here gold 1 minute, and here it gives you an overview. It explains how the bot works, recommended settings, symbol gold versus USD, time frame 1 minute. Here it also mentions the risk level, because with every trading bot you always have a risk. You can lose money even with the best trading bots. If you want to download, you can simply click here download button and you can see it saved right here on the market, and here you can see gold 1 minute. Notice here that they recommend enabling MetaTrader VPS to let the application work smoothly, and if you click here it is selling you different MetaTrader 5 VPS plans. You don't need the VPS when you are testing things, but if you want to use these things professionally, you will need it eventually. And this is another example why using bots through MetaTrader 5 rather than built-in trading bot platforms as as I showed you earlier, is more advanced, because if you use these automated trading bots on BYBIT, on Binance or other platforms, they are available for free. You don't need VPS, you don't need to purchase the bot, they are available right here. Meanwhile, many bots on MetaTrader are paid, and then you usually need the VPS subscription as well. So MetaTrader 5 is typically designed for advanced traders, not for beginners or intermediate traders. Let me close this VPS window here, then I close the market window, and let's continue with setting up the bots. I will click here for this trading pair, gold versus US dollar. You can also find it here, and if you want to open, you can click here chart window and it will open it right here. Now of course you can change the properties and the colors in any way you want, but let me just show you setting up the bot. First, I want to choose the 1 minute time frame right here, because the bot was recommended for that one. Then you can take the bot here and you can drag and drop it right here in the chart window. It opens this pop-up window, and here is a small box, allow algo trading. Algo trading means algorithmic trading, also known as automated bot trading. I click here OK. And you can see that it has been added right here. When you click this button right here, you can pause the bot or algo trading, and when you click it and it's green, then it can be running. The bot will execute the trades based on the parameters that you have set or the bot creator has set, and you can change them by right clicking with your mouse. Then you click here expert list. Here we can find the gold 1 minute bot that we just downloaded. We click here properties, and here you are able to change the settings. If you want to trade faster or slower or do something different, change the properties right here. If the bot is not trading yet, you can check the experts tab right here on the bottom in the toolbox. If you don't know how to find the toolbox, you can hover your mouse to the top into view, and here view toolbox, and then you can open or hide the toolbox from the bottom. And here it can show you when the automated trading is disabled and enabled, and here it shows you the timing of each message, and if there is an error and the bot is not running properly, it can also tell about it right here. Keep in mind that some strategies may take only a few minutes to execute the first trades, while long-term strategies may take even hours, sometimes even days before the first trade. So the fact that the bot wouldn't make the trades immediately doesn't necessarily mean that it wouldn't be working correctly. When you hover your mouse here on the trade section, you can see your current trades. Here I have also another example, Euro versus US dollar. Let's click this one. Here I have also an example bot running, trend catcher EA Pro, Euro versus US dollar 1 minute, and it has automatically opened a sell order. And here the process is the same. If you want to change the settings, you right click, click for expert list. Here is the trend catcher properties, and here you can change any details you want. For example, use stop loss and take profit here. You are able to change the numbers freely. So you can see, let me change it as well. And you can save the bot right here by clicking this one, and you can save these settings on your computer, or you can simply click here OK. Click here close, and then the bot will continue trading. When you click here for the history tab, it will show you the previous trades, buy and sell orders. You can see here buy, sell, buy, sell. If you want to pause the bot, again you can click this algo trading button and make sure it's red. And you can also manually close the trades that your bots have opened. As you can see here, you can simply right click, click here close position, and you can see it was closed manually. Now the bots have paused because I clicked this one and it has turned red. I promise to show you easier trading bots in other trading platforms in the end, and here we have BYBIT trading bots. It's number 2 ranked crypto trading platform in the world with more than 80 million users worldwide. They have regularly been adding more built-in trading bots, and BYBIT is famous for having one of the easiest to use platforms in the industry. You will find the bots by hovering the mouse into Tools, Trading Bots. I click here DCA, Create. I choose the amount right here, investment frequency, click here Create Now, click Confirm, and you can see created successfully, and you can see the bot is immediately up and running. Active bot created less than a minute ago. That is the easiest trading bot available on BYBIT, but they also provide more advanced ones such as Futures Grid, for example. BYBIT is of course number 1 ranked crypto platform in the world with hundreds of millions of users worldwide, and they also provide many built-in trading bots, including the DCA. As you can see right here, I have used it with great results. However, many of these other bots may not be as simple. You can see right here that many people think BYBIT is easier to use than Binance, especially for beginners, because Binance may feel a little bit overwhelming, especially with their advanced bots. Then of course CoinEx is a great alternative because you don't even need to do a KYC to use the trading bot, so you can trade even privately. They provide an auto invest DCA bot and also a spot grid bot that buys low and sells high and repeats over and over again. If you want to get even more great trading platforms with built-in trading bots available for free, I have collected for you a guide that I give for you as a free gift. You will get more than 20 apps and platforms for growing your wealth with simple step-by-step tutorials with worldwide opportunities. You will simply put your email address right here, click here sign up, and I will send this to you as a free gift into your inbox. You will find all the links and resources discussed in today's video in the description right here. BYBIT, Binance, Ultimate Guide and more.